How often, in what frequencies one should do a breast self-examination, sir?
In high risk group, it must be after the age of 20. Every month on the 5th day of periods, they should feel their breasts. They should see and palpate and find out whether there's any abnormal lump or thickening or indrawing of the nipple. Now, high risk group from the age of 20. Normally, from the age of 40, they should start doing self-breast examination. It's very, very important. It's complementary to mammogram.
Okay. Is breast cancer curable, doctor? This is the most common question which is running in everyone's mind. Is breast cancer curable?
It's eminently curable. The important thing is that we should diagnose it in the early stage. We divide the breast cancer into 4 stages. Stage 1 is where the breast lump is only about 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters. Stage 2 is where the breast lump is like a gooseberry, size of 5 centimeters. There, after some development of the tumor, the cells travel to the adjoining lymph glands in the armpit. So when there is a lymph nodal enlargement in the armpit, it becomes stage 2. If the tumor becomes bigger, more than 5 centimeters, like an orange or a big lemon, or if there is a lymph nodes in the armpit which is fixed, it's not mobile, it's fixed, then it becomes stage 3. Let's call it loco-regional disease. Stage 1 is disease confined to the breast. Stage 2, disease confined to the breast and armpit, but operable and mobile. Stage 3 is big tumors of the breast and armpit, not operable, inoperable. Stage 4 is one where cancer cells spread beyond the breast and armpit, goes to bones, lungs, liver, brain, skin, anywhere. So this is a widespread dissemination. This is stage 4. At the moment, up to stage 3 are curable. Stage 4 at the moment is not curable. We can prolong their life for a few years. So that's the situation now. Stage 1, the cure rate is almost 99%. Stage 2, it's about 98, 97%. Stage 3 is about 90%. So you understand the importance of early diagnosis. Diagnose it in the earlier stage, it's eminently curable.
Okay. Okay. So with your experience, doctor, at what stage people come to you for consultations, doctor?
It used to be very advanced in the 80s and 70s. Now it's definitely better. We are seeing majority of our breast cancer patients in stage 2. Stage 1 is only about 5%. Stage 3 is about 20-25%. 60% of them definitely come in stage 2, whereas 10% come in stage 4. That's the problem. If they come in an advanced stage, we are at a loss. We will not be able to cure them. We can only control them and prolong their life and make them comfortable. So the important thing is diagnosis in early stage.
Okay. How is breast cancer treated, doctor?
At the moment, the treatment of breast cancer is complex and standardized. Now, stage 1, we can straight away go for surgery. Stage 2, we go for chemotherapy first or hormone treatment first. We can say that the treatment is now very standardized various ways of treating: surgery, chemotherapy, hormonal therapy, radiation, immunotherapy. These are the 5 methods of treatment. Surgery is done just to remove the lump nowadays. If they come in stage 1 and 2, we don't have to do section of the breast. We can save the breast. So we call it breast conserving surgery. Lumpectomy only. This way, the women retains her breast. We divide the breast cancer biologically into basically 3 types. One, hormone sensitive tumor, where the tumor cells harbor estrogen and progesterone inside the cancer cells. So they are hormone sensitive. So by giving anti-hormones, we can control the disease. Second group is HER2 new positive cells. Cancer, about 20 to 25% of breast cancers develop a HER2 new mutation in the cancer cells. They are called HER2 new enriched breast cancer. It's an aggressive tumor, has to be treated separately. Third group is no receptor is positive. Estrogen receptor, progesterone receptor, and HER2 new receptor, all 3 are negative. So we call it triple negative disease. So these are the 3 main types: hormone sensitive, HER2 new enriched, and triple negative cancer. Treatment is different for these 3 groups. In hormone sensitive disease, is stage 1, do lumpectomy, then give radiation to the breast, and then continue her with hormones, anti-hormones. Stage 2, you can do surgery and radiation and then maintain them on hormones. Stage 3, you give hormones first, reduce the size, make it operable. Then after the operation and radiation, you continue with hormone maintenance. Stage 4, I've already mentioned, is difficult to cure, but we have many newer drugs available. So we are able to give hormones and prolong their life for many years. This is about the hormone sensitive tumor. Coming to HER2 new enriched tumor, we have to give chemotherapy. In addition, yes, special drugs are available which will counteract the HER2 new antigen in the cancer cells. There are Herceptin, then TDM1, trastuzumab deruxtecan. So many newer drugs have come to tackle the HER2 new part of the breast cancer, but it has to be combined with chemotherapy. That's the important thing. The duration of treatment will be for about a year, the early stages. Stage 4, of course, there is no cure. You go on giving it for years till the disease is under control. So, chemotherapy plus Herceptin is the treatment of choice in breast cancer with HER2 new positivity. Here again, surgery and radiation is necessary depending on the stage of the disease. Stage 1, lumpectomy is enough. Stage 2, you give upfront chemotherapy with Herceptin, reduce the tumor size, and go for lumpectomy or mastectomy. Stage 3, invariably we have to go for mastectomy and chemotherapy. Stage 4, no question of surgery, only for chemotherapy plus HER2 new enriched therapy. Coming to triple negative, it's a very aggressive disease. The treatment results are not so good as the other 2. Still, in stage 1, we can definitely cure them. Stage 1 and 2, we can cure them with appropriate surgery, radiation, and aggressive chemotherapy. Triple negative breast cancer, majority are familial. where the BRCA gene is positive. So if the BRCA gene is positive, then we have special drugs for it. For example, platinum is effective in BRCA gene positive breast cancer. Secondly, histone deacetylase inhibitors like olaparib. Olaparib is effective in triple negative breast cancer. Basically, aggressive chemotherapy plus or minus surgery and radiation is the treatment of choice in breast cancer. Stage 3, the cure rate is lower when compared to hormone sensitive and HER2 positive. It's only about 50 to 60%. Whereas stage 1 and 2, the cure rate in triple negative is very high, more than 90%. So treatment depends on the biology of the disease, stage of the disease, and treatment place where the patient goes to. Because not all institutions are equipped with proper treatment strategies to deal with this type of cases. So choosing an institution where proper treatment is given is an important aspect of breast cancer management.
Thank you, doctor. That was very detailed.